On today's menu, an all-time favorite snack that will leave you wondering why you even use the microwave. Stovetop popcorn. Once you learn how to make stovetop popcorn, you will have no excuse to make microwave popcorn ever again. Warm a hot pan on medium-high. Wait until your coconut oil melts and start to smoke. Kernels, salt, now the trick is we don't want the popcorn to burn, so we're just going to hold that pot above the heat. Once your kernels stop popping, it's done. And the other tip is do not take off the lid while angling it, because all the condensation that was building up is going to drop into the popcorn and make it all soggy. Just a little bit more of the salt, and you have the most amazing stovetop popcorn. Amazing popcorn you can make with confidence. Now the only thing left to do is to binge watch my previous episodes eating your amazing popcorn.